Pass the word. Supper time.
Hey, I got our leftovers
From Olive Garden.
This is when we went to Olive Garden, and you probably saw that video, but we brought home the 2 pasta bowls that we picked to take home for $5, part of their special. So we both got the same thing, spaghetti with meat sauce.
Spaghetti with meat sauce.
That's packaged nice.
And then I said I was going to make my famous meatballs to put on top of that. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, looks nice.
Remember? While we were at the restaurant, I said I would make my meatballs, and I have them right here.
I couldn't resist that.
I cooked them all day. And let me show you how they came out. Oh, 8 hours they were cooking.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to show you real quick, 4 or 5 minutes of how I made these meatballs. And then we'll be back and dish them out onto our microwaved spaghetti. I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Put it in a bowl. I'm just going to show you this quick. Let me turn on my Kasori multi-cooker to stove, brown. See, I went to brown. Start. It's going to warm up there. I'm going to brown the meatballs in here, and then I'm going to slow cook them in there all day long in the sauce. Put a little olive oil in there just to get started. And while that's warming up, I'm going to make my famous meatballs. See, I got my hamburger here. I got that many pieces of garlic, small onion. If this was double, I'd put 2 eggs, but I'm using 1 egg right now. I'm going to try my new chopper too. My Cuisinart chopper. I'll try it first on the garlic. See the garlic there? Didn't use this yet. Watch. Chop it up, chop it up. Oh, look at that. Isn't that great? That was so easy. I love it. If you like garlic, like I do. Alright. Put them aside. Cut this onion a little bit. Chop that up. Can I put that whole onion in there? What do you think? Maybe. Let's try it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that perfect? Yes. Okay. Alright, that's going to go in my meat. I got a bowl here for the meat. Hands are clean, just washed them. Put my onions and garlic in there. An egg, 1 egg. Some breadcrumbs. Flavored. Italian style. I just had to show you this because it's so easy. And that's it. Some salt and pepper. Whatever else you like to add. And with your clean hands, start forming your meatballs. And this is getting warm in there. Yep. That'll beep when it comes up to the temperature. We're going to brine them nicely. The fun is going to be having these in the sauce and smelling them cook all day. And then they're going to be so delicious and tender at the end of the day. And I'm going to put them on top of that Olive Garden takeout food, remember? Alright, we can mix this now. You can use your hands or some kind of tool. I like using my hands. I've been making these since I was a teenager. Yes. I always say if you like to eat, you like to cook. Well, not really, but if you like to eat, you should know how to cook good. Because it's easy. And if you make a mistake, it's usually delicious anyway. That's what I say. I like this multi-cooker too. You can do everything in there. You can brown, bake, slow cook, steam, saute, simmer. rice. It's a rice cooker as well. Okay, everything seems to be mixed up pretty good. Then you make them as big as you like. I like them about the size of a golf ball. See? Oh yeah. Alright, got a sizzle in there. Alright, this is just a quick way of showing you how I make my meatballs. You can change yours up any way you like. Smell that olive oil in there now too. I'll show you up in there. When I think they're browned good enough, I'll put it in slow cook mode. And look at that. And add my sauce. I just want to show you that. Let me get the rest of them in there. So easy. You can make a lot of little ones, or just a few big ones. This was 1.5 pounds of meat. Nice, right? They're going to melt in your mouth. Boy, that smell of hot olive oil and the onions and garlic on the outside of these is amazing. Then you're going to eat with us, right? Stick around because I'm going to add these to our Olive Garden takeout that we had the other night. Well, it was actually last night, but this video will be on probably 2 days after the first one. Want to guess how many meatballs I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Lucky number 13. Italian meatballs. If you can again, make sure it's lucky. Yep, 13. Now roll them around a little bit. You don't want to bust them up. Calm them down a little. You know, get them brown on one side. Roll them around. I think I'm going to put 2 jars of sauce in there. We're not going to need all that for the spaghetti. Well, why not, right? Plus, if I have any left over, I can make meatball sandwiches. You can change the recipe however you like. That's what makes you a good chef. I'm going to leave that little bit of olive oil in there. I only put a little bit. Probably a teaspoon. Whoa, that's better.
Balloon. 13 happy meatballs.
I think that looks good for me. Let me cancel the browning mode and put it on slow cook. Slow cook on low. And it goes to 182 degrees because it knows, and it's going to go to 8 hours. And we'll leave it right there. 8 hours. What time is it now? 7:30 a.m. And we're going to have a nice supper tonight. And you're going to be here and share it with us. Get any kind of sauce or gravy you like. This is Prego 3 cheese. It's just easy. So easy. Let's it dry out a little bit. Shake it up. Perfect. See it? I'm gonna put the other jar in there. Why not? Maybe I'll have enough for another pasta day. Can you open this? Huh? Oh yeah. Half of that jar, see? Is that okay? Yes. Alright, we got everything we want in there. Could also add some fresh parsley or oregano. I could have put this in with the meatballs. I always make them a little bit different. It's okay though, right? Let's put the lid on. I like this lid a lot because it's like a soft closing. Listen. See, I like that lid. Got it wet while I was washing my hands. Alright. Beautiful. We'll see you at supper time, okay? And you know these are going to be delicious. Next time you see us, we'll be opening our spaghetti from Olive Garden. Okay. with good meatballs on top. See you then.
Okay, before we scoop the meatballs from Rick's crock pot here, I'm gonna heat up the pasta. And there's directions on the lid that say microwave 3 to 4 minutes with the lid on and let stand for 1 minute. And then in the meantime,
So did you like how easy it was to make those meatballs?
they're gonna be good.
And they're gonna be fall apart, tender, delicious.
All right, let me warm this up.
I wonder if they can take 2 minutes.
I just said 3 to 4 minutes.
Oh, I don't pay attention.
I know.
I'm smelling this meat back here. Did you pass the word to your friends about our new channel?
Yeah, pass the word.
Yeah. Mmm.
Yeah, they smell good when I came in the door.
Yeah. What we can do is dish them out now.
Then-
That's a long 3 to 4 minutes. Come on. I'm about
And
ready
then
to
you
grab
have
one of those meatballs.
Then you're supposed to let it stand for 1 minute, but while it's standing, we're going to be putting meatballs in the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Yours is coming out, Rick.
Okay.
It's steaming. Add your meatballs.
Olive Garden. Olive Garden at home.
Yeah, I
All
like
right.
it.
How would you get yours heated up?
Oh, okay. The other bowl.
Ooh.
Oh, doesn't that look nice?
Well, mine sit perfectly for a minute or two.
Okay.
Look at that meat.
Oh, wow.
So good. I'll let you dish them out while I
Okay.
record it.
All
I
right.
don't want to miss a shot.
All right. Look at the garlic in there. Oh my
I used
goodness.
my new garlic and onion chopper too.
Oh, that's good.
You'll see how good it worked.
Oh, how many meatballs would you
Oh.
like?
3 or 4. Right in the middle. On top.
Right on top of
Yeah.
spaghetti.
On top of spaghetti.
All right.
Covered with sauce. I love it. You?
Oh, I love this sauce too. I'll just have 2.
And I'm going to make a
take it off.
sausage sandwich tomorrow.
Okay.
And I'm going to use some of that sauce. I might even have a meatball sandwich, huh? Left over from
Oh
that.
yeah.
Or make some more shells or spaghetti or pasta. Alright, let's get over to the table and taste these.
Okay.
I'm hungry. You?
Yes, I am.
Are we ready?
Yeah, look what I also brought 2 of those nice breadsticks.
They're still warm.
Oh, I warmed them up for you.
Okay. Well, I know how my meatballs should taste. Why don't you taste it first?
Okay.
We'll see how tender it is. Pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Well, how could it be tough, you know? It's just a
Oh yeah.
hamburger.
Right.
So delicious, so garlicky. Oh,
It's a little bit hot. Oh, it melts in your mouth. That's exactly what it does.
and the onion and the garlic in there.
Oh yeah.
Let's try that spaghetti. Olive Garden spaghetti. With homemade meatballs. I taste their sauce underneath. It's got a different flavor, huh?
Yes. There's meat in their sauce, but also a lot of herbs.
Yeah. What a good combination.
Yes, definitely.
I could eat 100 of those meatballs. So that went into a keep warm mode. It's been keeping warm for 40 minutes there. So that was how good it was timed all day. I made them at 7:30 this morning.
Nice and slow.
It went off at 3:30. And now it's in keep warm mode. 41 minutes now. You can butter me up?
Sure.
Oh, I was going to sprinkle cheese too.
Oh yeah.
What are you eating tonight? Pasta?
You eating pasta, spaghetti, meatballs? What are you guys eating?
Steak sandwiches, pizza pie. That creamy garlic pasta meal we made the other day was good, huh?
Oh yeah. That was good. Here we go.
Oh.
This was a nice supper to come home to.
It was easy. All you had to do was microwave the bowls, right? But I like making meatballs because I like eating them. And you can change them up all the time too.
What, put different ingredients?
Yeah. You can put little green peppers in there if you like, or anything you like. Mushrooms. I saw mushrooms in there. I was thinking about putting them in there. Good, huh?
Yeah, sure.
There's 2 packs of mushrooms in there.
Well, maybe you can use some of those on your sausage sandwich.
Oh yeah, all right. So, did you have a good day today? So far?
So far.
Did you get some cheese on yours?
No, go ahead. Cheese me.
So, on our new Pasta Word channel, we'd like to teach you something a little bit each time. What do you think they learned from this?
How to make meatballs. How to get a good deal at Olive Garden. I think.
Yeah, and if you didn't see that video, I'll put a link at the end to that video.
Right, because look at the convenience and
We ate there, a nice big meal, a lot of pasta, and then we got a deal and took these home. But if you saw the video, you already know. But you got to see me make my meatballs, which maybe you've seen me do that before. Because I made them pretty often.
I like the sauce and you had there with the meatballs too. It's good.
Yeah. What's next on the menu?
I have something in mind, but I don't know if I want to say it yet.
Oh, it's a secret surprise. Okay. It's going to be good though, right?
Oh yeah, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it too.
Thank you for joining us for supper. We're glad you're here. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Pass the word. Bonjour, manja.
No, it's bon appetito.
I love these meatballs. I love them.
Have a nice night, you guys. Hope you're having a good supper too.
Make some meatballs. It's easy. Bye.
Bye.